previous class I taught full lesson other mountains. So first, second, third, three parts I explained that lesson. Today I am going to solve the exercise. This is a 4 part. So everybody is after completing your homework, you have to send your homework back to me. So see children how to solve the sums. See here. Multiple choice questions are here. Tick the correct answer. Shillong is capital of. This is a capital city of Meghalaya. This is Shillong is capital city of Meghalaya. Not a West Bengal, Assam and Sikkim. Not a West. These only. This is a correct answer. Meghalaya. And then bamboo dance is popularly folk dance of. See children in this picture. Here they are dancing in the bamboos. So this is popularly famous from Mizoram. Mizoram is the correct answer. So you have to tick the correct answer on this here. This you have to complete in your notebook. Next, just read the new words. So terrace farming means farming done by cutting mountain slopes into the step of flat stays. They are doing like this type states. So next, house on stilt. Stilts means house built on wooden pillars so that they are above the ground. They are preparing the house with the wooden pillars. Next, wildlife sanctuary. The protected forest, natural habitat for the animals. So these new words you have to read and read the points. These all the points are given here. You have to read. This is your reading homework. Oral homework is this, and 2 or 3 times you have to read and recognize the points. Next, this homework you have to write it in your notebook. Tick the correct answer. In which country is Mount Everest situated? So see here, India, Myanmar, Pakistan and Nepal. Before lesson I thought India. India is not a correct answer. Nepal. Nepal is in the country of Nepal. There is Mount Everest situated. Next, Uttarakhand lies in dash range. Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik, none of these. This Uttarakhand is not coming in this any range. That's why none of these is correct answer. Next, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answers. Which is the highest mountain range in the world? So, mountain range and mountain peak is different. Mountain range is Himalaya. Mountain peak is Mount Everest. So, Himalaya is a mountain range. So, this is the correct answer. Which of the following is the capital of Sikkim? Sikkim, Gangtok is the capital city of Sikkim. Not a Impal, Kohima and none of this. So, it is the correct answer Gangtok. What do the foothill of the Shivalik from? Which is the foothill is that Theria range is the region is the foothills. So Himalaya is not a correct answer, and snake forest is, and crocodile marshal land also is not a correct answer. So Theria region is correct answer. You write the tick mark on this correct topic. Next, see. What is meaning of Himalaya? You have to write the answer in short. So answer in short, you give the answers I am showing in the textbook. What is the first question? What is meaning of Himalaya? So see children, in this book, the Himalaya meaning is what? Up day of snow. Up day of snow means everywhere is snow. This is meaning of Himalaya. This is the first answer. So from here to here, you have to write the first answer. Next, who were the first people to climb Mount Everest in 1953? In 1953, who were climbed? So see here, Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay were the first to climb the Mount Everest in 1953. These people, so Hillary and Narghar. These are the two members are climbed the Mount Everest in first time. So this is the second answer. Next third answer. Third question. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 1984? First woman, who is that person? So here, Bachindri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb the peak in 1984. This is a third answer. From here to here, Bachindri Pal is correct answer. Next fourth one. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice? Twice means two times. See here children, Santosh Yadav was the first woman in the world to have climbed the Mount Everest twice. Means Santosh Yadav was climbed the Mount Everest in two times. So this is your fourth answer. Santosh Yadav twice. So you have to complete in your notebook. Next, name any two hill stations found in Himachal range. Himachal range, there we can see the many hill stations. Srinagar, Gulmarg, Falgam, Dalhousie, Simla, Kullu, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling. These are the hill stations. From there you have to write the any two hill stations name. So you should read these all the hill stations and write any two. So this is our fifth one, from here to Srinagar to Darjeeling. So next one is what? Name the three tribes of Sikkins. Name the three tribes of Sikkins. So see children, here is people of this state. This Sikkim is very small state. There we can see the three type of peoples belong to their three types. Which is that? Lepcha, Bhute and Nepali. These are the three tribes we can see in the Sikkim. So this is sixth one is answer. This answer is sixth one. So this short answer you have to write in your notebook and then write notes on the following. Mount Everest. So Mount Everest. This topic, what you have to do here? Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. It is 8,848 meters high. It is in Nepal. Where is it? It is in Nepal. Many people and professional trekkers regularly climb the snow-covered peaks of the Himalaya. This is your short note. So Mount Everest short note is like this type. You have to write the short note in your notebook. And then second one, Therai region. Therai region short note. So see here children, this Therai region is the foot hills of Shivalik from the Therai region. This foot hills from the Shivalik region. Of this region lies in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. It is Mercy area and that receives a lot of rainfall. The Therai region has many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is the place of tourist. Interestingly, they are visit to the wildlife sanctuary. This Jim Corbett. So this is your second short note. And then third one, you have to find yourself these two, otherwise I am showing on a next period. So next one is what? Answer the following questions. What are the occupation of the people Jammu and Kashmir? Jammu and Kashmir, so see here, they are there during the rainy climate is very cool. So the people are stay indoor and making handcrafts from the wood and paper machine. Means they are making mixture of paper and glue. They making boxes, ornaments, everything they are making inside the home. Some people weave silk and woolen clothes, while other make world famous carpets and warm pashminan shawls. They are preparing in the home. So this is your first answer for second question. So see, this is what first question, first answer. What is this answer? Next, what is the main occupation of people Himachal Pradesh? How do men and women dress up over there? So see here, second answer is what? Most of people in Himachal are farmers. They are all are farmers. They are growing rice, maize, barley. Barley means bajra. Fruits and vegetables. Animals rearing is the also popular. People raise sheep and goats. Woolen carpets, blankets, rugs and shawls are woven here. People wear very colorful clothes. They wear colorful clothes they are wearing, and the embroidered caps they are wearing. They are wearing this type of dress up, and main occupation is farming. Next third one. What kind of houses do people of Arunachal Pradesh build and why? So see children, in Arunachal Pradesh people live in house on stilts. Stilts means wooden pillar house is that. Why they are building that wooden pillar house? Protect themselves from the rain and snakes. Because nearest forest is there, that's why they are protect from the rain and snakes. They are preparing this type of house. Then next, see children. What does the design on shawls of Nagas tell us? This is fourth question. See. People of different types wear shawls with the different patterns. Here we can see in this picture, Nagaland people, famously we are called Nagas. They are wearing like this type clothes. This is people onwards, you have to write here. So they are wearing like this type clothes. That's why we are recognizing, easily identify the tribes to which they are belongs. They are belongs to Nagaland. That's why we are easily recognizing. This is our fourth answer. Next, fifth one. What do you know about the people Meghalaya? Meghalaya. See here children. In the Meghalaya is very well known for receiving the heaviest rainfall in India. Meghalaya, there we can see heaviest rainfall. That capital city is Shillong. Shillong is the capital and famous hill station. Gharos, Khasi and Jainidai are the main tribes of this region. They are mainly farmers and who grow rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane and pineapples and orange. So these are growing in their field. This is your fifth answer from here to here. Next. So see children, you have to identify the answer. Higher order thinking skill means HOTS questions here. You have to visit the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in the month of August. To which city will you go and why? We are going to Jammu because in August we can see the rainfall. Snowfall is there in the Jammu and Kashmir. In the summer season, Srinagar is capital of Jammu and Kashmir. When you are visiting in August, you have to go in Jammu. Understood children? So here activity is there. You have to read and complete your activity. Send your homework photos back to me. Thank you.